Hey guys, so we're starting a rebed process here in Parkland, and we have an air draw unit that removes iron and sulfur, a softener, and a carbon filter. Now, the issue here is this is a great system, but even great systems need to be replaced. The insides need to be rebedded, and we'll tell customers you need to rebed this every year to 2 years, 3 years, and they'll say no, we can do it every 4 to 5 years. Well, here's what happens. Water can be so corrosive. This is in the carbon filter. Each unit doesn't handle the amount of iron the same as it did in the beginning. So this is the iron on the last distributor going into the house, which means iron was on its way down. If it would have gotten further to about here, they would have started to see it in the house. So we got this right in time, but we rebedded this a year ago. So what we need to do now is we need to replace the insides of the air draw so that the air draw starts removing the iron before it even gets to the softener, then to the carbon filter. So stay up to date with your equipment, keep it rebedded, keep it maintained, and you'll be good.